Lakshmi Pranati from 5th standard. Now, today our topic is solar power irrigation system. It is an automatic irrigation system where the solar energy is used to operate the irrigation system. The main benefit, the energy comes from the sun, which helps in lowering cost and it's environment friendly. Nowadays, farmers in the agriculture facing a lot of problems in pouring water into the field to keep their crops green, especially in summer season. The term irrigation system is mainly a way to give water to crops. In this process, it is very important to maintain the water level. Lack of water may damage plants. The required components of it: solar panel, motor pump, controller and sources. Now I am going to explain you about the solar panel. Solar panel. The main function of the solar panel is to convert the solar energy into electrical energy. The solar cells can generate a maximum electricity. Now I am going to explain you about pump. A pump has running on electricity that is generated by the solar panel. Depending on the type of AC or DC, it can be AC or DC. Motor pumps can be used in many ways, such as smaller and medium applications such as garden fountains, landscaping, drinking water for livestock and small irrigation projects. Next, controller. In any solar system, controller is an important device it controls the current. Now next, sources. The sources are found in different forms such as rivers, lakes, oceans, like many water bodies, and the water can be sent to fields. And I want to conclude that, friends, and explain to farmers that use the solar energy in proper way and explain them clearly and say them a proper way and use them and say them how it's useful. Thank you. Have a colorful day and enjoy the day. Thank you.